Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to check your computer for 5G Wi-Fi support. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Type net sh space, WLAN, space, show space, driver. Radio type supported. This computer Wi-Fi only supports 2.4G bandwidth only. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.